everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the GCSE Maths exam sprint series. Here's another different style question on ratio. I've seen exam questions like this in GCSE papers before. It's a very likely question style. Please pause the video. Give this a try. Sana fills a container with milk and water in the ratio 3:2. So milk is to water 3:2. I'm going to assume, this is an assumption, right? Let's assume the volume to be 100 milliliters, just so that it's easy. There are other ways of doing this too, just using fractions or algebraic method, but let's go down this route. Now, so because it's in the ratio 3:2, 3 and 2 is 5. So 3/5 is milk, 2/5 is water. 3/5 of 100 and 2/5 of 100. So obviously 100 divided by 5 is 20 times 3. That is 60 milliliters of milk and 40 milliliters of water. So here we have the situation. Milk, we have 60 ml. Water, we have 40 ml. Sana then pours out 1/5 of the total liquid. So 1/5 of this liquid comes out. Let's say this is 1/5. Now, in reality, it's not separated into two layers like this, obviously because water and milk mix. But let's just assume, right? So 1/5 of 100 is 20 milliliters. So 20 milliliters is removed. So this is 20 ml, which is 1/5 of milk. So this component here will be 60 divided by 5, which is 12 milliliters of milk is removed. And this bit here is 40 divided by 5, 8 milliliters. Or because the total is 20, 12 and 8 is 20. So that's what's removed. Now let's see what the situation is. So we still have this 100 milliliter container. Now the total volume is now 80 milliliters. Why? Because we removed 1/5 of the total liquid, which is 20 milliliters. So we have 80 milliliters. So 60 take away 12, that's 48 milliliters of milk, and 40 take away 8, that is 32 milliliters of water. She replaces the liquid she removed with water. Oh, so now the rest of this, like this volume, is filled with water. Now that water volume is obviously 20 milliliters. Work out the ratio of milk to water by volume that is now in the container. Okay, now we have 48 milliliters of milk. That's 48. Water, we had 32 from before. We add 20 on top. So 20 and 32 gives 2. So we can simplify this further. I can divide both of them by 4. So I get 12 here and 13 here.